Well, did you know the significance of the Kumbh Mela? The story has its origins in the Samudra Manthan between the Devas and the Asuras. As the two sides began to churn the ocean, it threw up the nectar of immortality or Amrit along with the other items. While making an attempt to grab the Amrit Kalash, 4 drops of Amrit fell on earth at 4 different places, namely Prayagraj, which is the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati, Haridwar, where the Ganga flows, Ujjain, on the banks of the Shipra river, and Nashik, the origin of river Godavari. It is believed that these drops gave mystical powers to these places. It is to make oneself gain on those powers that Kumbh Mela has been celebrated in each of the 4 places since time immemorial. The normal Kumbh Mela takes place every 3 years, the Ardha or the half Kumbh Mela every 6 years, while the Purna or the complete Kumbh Mela takes place every 12 years at the 4 places based on planetary movements. The Maha Kumbh Mela is celebrated at Prayag after 144 years, that is after 12 Purna Kumbh Melas. Why is it called Kumbh and why the number 12? Kumbh in Sanskrit refers to the pot containing Amrit. It is said that the fight between the Asuras and Devas lasted for 12 days, which is equivalent to 12 years on earth. Kumbh also means zodiac sign Aquarius. Depending on the alignment of the sun, moon, and the guru of gods Jupiter, the location of the Kumbh Mela is decided. As it takes almost 12 years for Jupiter to traverse to complete zodiac, so the Kumbh is celebrated in accordance at one place after about every 12 years. When the Jupiter is in Taurus or Vrishabha zodiac sign and the Sun and the Moon are in Capricorn or Makara, the Kumbh is held at Prayag. Thus, this Kumbh is particularly significant for people of Vrishabha or Taurus and Makara or Capricorn Rashi. The Mahakumbh, which is held in Prayagraj, is the culmination of 12-year cycles. The next Mahakumbh will be held in the 22nd century, 144 years later. Do not miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness the largest human gathering on earth at the Mahakumbh Mela. We at Divedesh Tours have made complete arrangements for your comfort and safety. Right from 4-star tented accommodation on the banks of the river Ganga to Sattvic food while being assisted by experienced tour managers, we've got you covered. Join us as we embark on this once-in-a-lifetime spiritual journey. You may post any queries or suggestions in the comment section below.